Good evening, everyone. This is Jayashree Sharma. Welcome to the third session of ICC Crack the Wellness Code's Behavioral Health Forum this evening, focusing on factors impacting mental wellness of women. Again, I'm Jayashree Sharma. I'm the event coordinator for CWC and Women Wellness Champion, advocate CWC Wellness Music. And the lovely music that you were hearing was by our regular Mr. Bruno. So I hope as you were joining in, you were focusing also on the slides that were rolling in. There was some great information packed for all of you for you to absorb, understand, and learn. And we are going to talk about it even more. So the slides that you also saw provided the snapshot of CWC or Crack the Wellness Code. And you may wonder, what is this wellness code? The agenda also was highlighting the schedule. You saw our panel of amazing women in rich and diverse background who are all set to share their insights and interact with all of you. CWC is led by its three co-founders, Dr. Pankaj, Naren Bakshi, and Som Chatterjee. And you may have seen the slides with their pictures and their names against it. They had started CWC to offer a platform to crack the mind-body wellness code of the community in San Francisco Bay Area. From being a program of ICC, I hope all of you know, ICC is India Community Center. It's the largest community center in Northern America of South Asians. It has expanded swiftly over the past 3 years to go global with participants from over 20 plus nations. It's a wellness ecosystem and is made up of 81 doctors, 200 plus volunteers, health heroes, support groups offering resources, wellness practices, tools, and network. I remember 3 years ago, I was part of CWC. I had just started with a mega event, and I know between then and now, we have grown exponentially. With 135 plus events by now, there's a huge library of content. This is steadily increasing to match community needs. Do check out crackthewellnesscode.org. It's a comprehensive web platform presenting CWC's wellness ecosystem, events, program, content, along with membership and marketplace. Coming up in a big way, so do connect. Do connect with us at info@cwcicc.org and become a member. Let us know if you wish to offer any product or services in the CWC online marketplace. On the slides you already saw today the panelists, and I'm going to talk a bit about them now before inviting our panel moderator, Dr. Leena Khanzode, to present her perspective and the session outline. The four panelists that we have, I call them as the four passionate women panelists with a capital P. If you notice, all their names start with a P, and that's where these are our powerful, passionate women panelists today. As I said, the panel moderator, Leena Khanzode, is going to conduct the event and moderate it for us. The first panelist, actually, let me just quickly talk about the four women, and we will hear more from them. Paras Malhotra, she's a senior advisor from Microsoft. She's a community leader and wellness champion. She's also an ICC board member with extensive philanthropic work. The second panelist is Preeti Shikhande. She's a tech entrepreneur focusing on behavioral health. The passionate third woman in this panelist is Preet Sabharwal. She's a psychologist and head of programs for South Asians Hume Center. And our fourth panelist, Pushpa Agarwal, she's a wellness advocate and practitioner. All these panelists are going to share with us their rich and diverse experience while telling us how and why mental factors impact women. Now, if you imagine past 16 months, the women force, whether she's a working woman or a homemaker, we have gone through several challenges and several new challenges during pandemic also. And these challenges, sometimes it was very difficult for all of us to deal with. There were new things that got introduced in the last 16 months. In some cases, some parents had their children come home, and so there probably was some bit of a challenge there on how to deal with the situation. So we were juggling with a lot of these responsibilities and newness in the past 16 months. And also not necessarily just the pandemic, I would say. There have been other factors which impact the women's mental health. And those are the things that we're going to talk today. So let me now call our moderator, Dr. Lina Khanzode. She's a psychiatrist. She's a MD, board certified psychiatrist, specialized in adult and child and adolescent psychiatry from Stanford Hospital and Clinics. She also runs Tarika Foundation, started by her to help the youth with the behavior change, health challenges. So, welcome, Lena. I'm very excited that we have this wellness session today with the amazing four panelists, and I'm going to turn it over to you.